Good morning and welcome to today's Baler Bulletin. My name is Jake King.
And I'm Jake Fulmer.
Anton Pavlovich Chekhov was a Russian playwright and short story writer who is considered to be among the greatest writers of short story fiction in history. His career as a playwright produced 4 classics, and his best short stories are held in high esteem by writers and critics.
Exactly. He said that people don't notice whether it's winter or summer when they're happy.
Do you believe in supporting the survival, protection, and development of children? Looking to develop leadership skills, spark global change, and earn community service hours for your resume or college applications? Then join the good fight with our UNICEF Club, where it is our mission to educate, advocate, and fundraise to support UNICEF's life-saving work. We meet in room 260 every Tuesday at lunch. All are welcome.
Today, girls field hockey will be playing against Christopher here at our school, while girls golf will be taking on Salinas.
Both boys and girls water polo will be playing today, with boys water polo competing against Palma and girls water polo playing Notre Dame, with the 2 designated at Hartnell College.
And tomorrow, we have girls volleyball playing at Christopher, and girls tennis will compete at Oliveras.
That's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching.
And until next time, go Balers!